Why do cats need? Cats need for various reasons rooted in instinct and comfort. Often beginning as kittens needing their mother's belly to stimulate milk flow during nursing, the behavior persists into adulthood as a sign of contentment and relaxation. Kneading also helps cats mark their territory through scent glands in their paw pads, while simultaneously stretching and flexing their muscles. This rhythmic motion is a natural expression of comfort and security, showcasing the intricate nature of feline behavior.